Our last part of speech for the week is adverbs. And adverbs are words that describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. And it kind of takes some investigative work to figure out which words are adverbs. So it may be a little more tricky to identify them than it would be to identify a noun or a verb. So as I said, adverbs are words that describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. We all remember that verbs are words that show action or state of being, and adjectives are words that describe a noun or pronoun. So what to look for when trying to decide if a word is an adverb, you ask yourself, well, does this word tell me how, when, or where? And also, many adverbs usually end in ly. So, for example, an adverb telling how says Marcus walked carefully along the narrow ledge. Okay, I need to find either a verb, an adjective, to ask, well, is it telling me how, when, or where? So, walked is a verb. I know that because I can show you how to walk. So I ask myself, how did Marcus walk? When did Marcus walk? Or where did Marcus walk? And it says Marcus walked carefully. That is how he walked. Plus, carefully ends in ly, so I know that carefully is my adverb. He always takes risks. He walks the ledge daily. So we ask ourselves, what is the verb in the sentence? And he always takes risk. Our verb is take. Well, how does he take? When does he take? Or where does he take? The answer is when, and that is always. And the next one, he walks the ledge daily. The verb is walks. So how does he walk? When does he walk? Or where does he walk? And it says daily, also ends in ly. So we know that daily is an adverb that is describing the verb walk. And an adverb telling where, I will not walk there. Our verb is walk. So we ask, how did we walk? When did we walk? Or where do we walk? And the answer is there. Okay, in our practice together, we have 3 sentences to look at. So she quickly left the ball game. The verb, the action that we can show or the state of being would be left. So how did she leave? When did she leave? Or where did she leave? And so the word, the adverb that answers that question is quickly. How did she leave? She left quickly. The track meet begins early on Tuesday. The verb in the sentence is begins. So how does the track meet begin? When does the track meet begin? And where does the track meet begin? It begins early. And that is an adverb telling us when it starts. Carl left the bag near the gym door. Okay, the verb in this one is left. You can show me how to leave something somewhere. So how did he leave? When did he leave? Or where did he leave it? He left it near the gym door. Even though near does not end in an ly, it is still an adverb and it tells us where the gym bag was left. You're going to practice by yourself. What you need to do is read each sentence. You need to write down the adverb and then tell me, does the adverb tell you how, when, or where? Now remember, you can find the verb in each sentence and then just ask the questions. Is it telling me how? Is it telling me when? Or is it telling me where? To help you figure out the answer to the finding the adverb.